All right, I'll try to make this clear. If you have any questions, post them below and I'll try to answer. I posted this on a Corel video on an idea about deriving the new cases from the cumulative COVID-19 data. So I mocked up these tables in Excel. The start is the original data, so we have that here. We have the expected data, which is another hard-coded table, but that's just basically to use, just check my work and make sure the numbers were calculated correctly. So if you note in rows 5 and 6, and that's here and here, we have 1 to 3. So for the cumulative, but the new should be 1 to 2. So we'll basically be working that out in these steps on Power Query. So if we go back to start, and I've already built out these steps, so I'm just going to explain what I did. The first thing we have to do with data is we want to sort it by the country, province, and the date. And this will get everything in the right order for the cumulative, so we can go to the previous row and pick up the difference. The next thing we want to do is we're going to basically add a one-based index. And that's done here, so that's pretty straightforward. The next thing we want to do after this is load the table again, and that's what this start 2 is. You can also duplicate the table if you want. When we have this table here, we want to do basically the same thing. We want to sort it on country and province and date. And then one of the things we want to do is we want to add a zero-based index. So that's done here. So we've got the province in the right order, and we've got the cumulative. Now we have a zero-based index. So after that, so we have two tables. One is one-based and one is zero-based. So the next thing we want to do is we want to merge these on the indexes. So if I go dialog here, and so we have the index here, we have the other index. So we merge those, and we get our tables. So what we want to pull off of this from the original table is the country, the province, and the cumulative. So we have that in this next step. So we have the indexes. Where is the cumulative? Is the original cumulative, and here's our other cumulative. So you can see where we've got 1, we've got the prior one, we've got the 2. So then what we're going to do is we're going to, so we have everything all the information is on the row that we need. So now all we have to do is just put in a simple computed column, and we do that here. Let me go into the edit and we'll show you what we did. So if the country and the province are the same, then I actually want to subtract out the cumulative numbers. And then if they're not the same, then I just want to take the cumulative. So basically I'm on the first row of the grouping. Click OK, and you can see on the new, we've actually got now a calculation of the difference between the old or the current row and the prior row. And so if we check that against the expected, we've got the 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So I'm going to go to inspected, and I got the same numbers here. So after this, then you basically clean up. You get rid of all the columns that you don't want, and that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. But again, if you have any questions, just post it in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. A shout out to Ruth for her great videos. So if you're new to Power BI, I highly recommend her videos. And I'm going to try and do some more videos in the future here, but this is my first one, so hopefully it works out pretty well. All right, thanks.